In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix messages being failed to send on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. As you can see, I have a few messages right now that aren't sending. It shows not delivered. So if I want to make sure that, they send, sometimes it could be a bug. So you can press on the little red dot and then you can just press try again. And if it doesn't, what you can go ahead and do, swipe down on the top right. It's going to show your control panel. Make sure you're not in airplane mode. If you're in airplane mode, you're not going to have any signal. It's going to shut everything off. So make sure you're not on that and then try messaging again. And if it still doesn't work, what you could do is long press on the top left box and then see your mobile data. Right now I have 3 bars. If you have 1 bar, that could be a cause of your messages not going through because 1 bar will be very weak signal. And if you have no bars, then you're just definitely not going to have any messages go through unless you're on Wi-Fi and you're using a Wi-Fi application or anything like that. So if I try and send a message now it's going to be going through because I'm not in airplane mode and I have signals. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that. And the final thing I'd recommend doing is just pressing your volume button up and your power button together, and this is going to show the slide to power off screen. So just restart your phone and see if that works as well. But it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.